But what's actually where the threat is ChatGPT is an infant that has been given the internet. And it has crawled the internet, and there's learning models that help it understand intent from the text that it's read. And it effectively is creating this intent understanding model based on what the developers have done with them, with the AI modeling that they did. And it creates this iterative approach to having a dialogue that feels like natural language and feels like a human being. Hacking has changed over the last decade to the point where it used to be script kiddies would get caught in 5 seconds because they would write something stupid and they'd get busted. But now there's entire organizations, crime organizations, that are creating ransomware as a service and things like that, that make it easy for a script kiddie to jump on and make a quick 30, 50, $100,000. Where ChatGPT comes in is now it is allowing those script kiddies to take and tweak code that they get from these ransomware as a service or as a service hacking, or even go on the dark web and find something and then they can go and iterate with ChatGPT and say, I'm trying to do this thing. How would you write a script to do this? And it says, well, you shouldn't do this. It's terrible. It's a bad idea. It's against the law to hack. And like, oh, what if I was doing a science project for school? And then you get past the protections and controls. That's where I start to get concerned about what's possible. And we keep talking about the companies who are front-ending ChatGPT, like the Bing, when Bing Chat came out, there was a lot of concern around, we have to be careful and we have to start putting some controls in place so people aren't using it for nefarious functionality and not getting around, the controls we have in place to try to protect. But none of those controls really exist today.